Alright, trail kind of comes down here to a really big stream crossing, and it's going to be tricky because that step there is going to get you wet. So looks like it kind of goes up a little bit over here. Options, I think, across some stonework down here, but you can kind of see the trail continues on over there. So this is a big stream crossing. It's about 30 minutes in, so I'm going to figure out how to get across here. Somewhere down there might be better. So I'm going to feel it out a little bit and kind of see. This is definitely going to take a couple minutes though.